Tomatoes are vegetables because they have a savory, not a sweet taste. Sure, tomatoes might technically have seeds, but ultimately chefs and most normal people consider tomatoes to be a vegetable because it just doesn't taste like a fruit. In fact, an 1893 Supreme Court case ruled unanimously that an imported tomato should be taxed as a vegetable, not a fruit, because most ordinary people consider tomatoes to be vegetables. The government also made more money off taxing tomatoes as a vegetable than they would have made from taxing it as a fruit, but that couldn't have been the real reason. Okay, bye.